Hello, welcome back to Strategic IT Solutions. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create an internet gateway in your Amazon AWS console. The internet gateway is used to communicate between your VPC and the internet. An internet gateway serves two purposes. One is to provide a target in your VPC route table for all internet routable traffic, and the other is to perform network address translation for your instances that are in your public subnet, those instances that have been assigned a public IP address. So now I'm going to demonstrate how you can create an internet gateway. You'll click on VPC. And in the left navigation, you'll click on Internet Gateways. Now you will see the default internet gateway that it comes with. We're going to be creating a new internet gateway for our new VPC. So you'll click Create Internet Gateway. We're going to give it a name, and this will be our internal internet gateway. And you just click Create. Now, once the internet gateway is created, you need to associate it with a new VPC. As you can see, it has a state of detached, so we'll need to attach a VPC to this internet gateway. And our internal VPC is the only one that's available because the other VPC is attached to the default internet gateway. This is the only one available. We're going to click our internal VPC and we will click attach. And that's it. That's how you create an internet gateway. Any resources in your public subnet will need to go through your internet gateway to get to the internet. So now that we have our internet gateway created, we need to update the route table. We will select our public route table and we will edit the routes. And now you will add a default network. So any traffic that is not destined to your internal network will use the default route, and we will select our internet gateway. That's it. That's how you create your internet gateway and update your public route table. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.